Parks, my final frontier. These are the voyages of the Central Caster, our 5-year mission to explore strange new parks, to seek out new fish and new situations, to boldly yak where no chef has yacked before.
In this video, my wife and I head out to Hoover Reservoir. I'm going to do a little crappie fishing, and she's going to break out her paddleboard finally for the first time this year.
My wife and I are out here on Hoover Reservoir today. She's enjoying her paddleboard for the first time of the season. It's a nice day out. It's about 80 degrees. Water temperature back here is 70, almost 71 degrees. We're going to head back into a cove and see if we can run into some crappie. Hopefully the wife will have a good time. She's there paddling away, enjoying herself. I like towing her around sometimes, but we're back here in a protected cove, and I know she wants to get the workout. Looks like you're scaring fish up, baby. I see fish jumping around beside you. You're scared? I don't know. They're saying hi. I'm not seeing any fish on the depth finder. I'm about ready to ram you, just so you know. I'll try not to. Feels a little better. No, he's still a baby. Still a baby. Hit. Go there. A little better one. That's a better one. That's a keeper. Yep. I don't think I'm going to keep him, but let's see how big he is. Okay. Yeah, I'm just going to throw him back. He's 9 inches. I can hit it on the when it hit the water, but I'm not sure. There was one on there the whole time. Just not a very big one. There's another one. Yeah, they're just all real small like that. I'm gonna make a move back in that corner. Ouch. He got me. There's a big one. You got a big one? Yep. Nice one. Well, I was getting ready to leave this spot. I don't know how big he is. I gotta change this around here. Let me flop for a minute. Well, it was as big as I was catching as yesterday, but he is almost 11 inches. Yeah. No, I'm not keeping any today. But now I feel like I should try here for a couple more casts. Want me to cut you loose? I'm gonna find a spot back here. It looks good. Anchor up. Do a little catfishing too. You can see this is like there's some activity. Like there's a fish on the bottom there, 12 foot. There's fish on the suspended, which could be bait fish or crappie. Here's a bite. Oh, missed it. Okay, well that's a good sign though. Some fish out here. There's fish down there for sure. Got him that time. More little ones. Nice fish, whatever that is. It's a crappie, it's a nice one. That is a nice crappie there. Should have been paying attention to it. Not a monster. A nice one. Thank you, buddy. You gonna eat it or just pop it? Probably already did eat it. No, he's on there. No, yeah, he's on there. He had me wrapped. Close to a keeper, but I don't think he's. No, he's not. He's not even close, really. It'd be nice if you give me my bait back. Looks like you want to. You did, buddy. Good job. There's a bite. Oh, he'd probably keep her. Close to it. Catching a bunch of them. Mostly small ones though. A couple keepers. I was thinking about setting up for catfish, but then I just kept too busy.
So we headed back in after about 3 hours of fun on the water. Probably caught 15 fish, 4 or 5 keepers. It was a beautiful day. We had a lot of fun, and we'll see you next time.